Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for March 15, 2024, featuring bright Jupiter and a waxing crescent moon. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 7:02 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 6:58 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. The sky has no bright planet that is easily visible before sunrise. 3 of them hide in brighter sunlight. Mars rises first, 67 minutes before the Sun. After solar conjunction during November 2023, its emergence from twilight into a darker morning sky seems to be painfully slow. The red planet is dim and a binocular is needed to attempt to see it nearly 6 degrees above the east-southeast at 30 minutes before sunup. Venus follows Mars across the horizon, 25 minutes later. The morning star is quite bright, but only 3 degrees above the horizon. It is visible with a view toward a clear, uncluttered horizon. Saturn is lost in bright morning light, rising only 22 minutes before the Sun. In the evening sky, it is a different story after sundown. 2 bright planets and a dimmer one, along with the Moon, are visible. Mercury is moving toward its best evening appearance of the year. It gains 5 to 6 minutes of setting time compared to sunset each evening, so that it appears higher in the sky at the same time interval after nightfall. At 45 minutes after sunset, the speedy planet is over 5 degrees above the west horizon. Shining through the haze at the horizon, the planet is bright enough to be found without a binocular, although the optical assist helps with the initial identification. At this hour, bright Jupiter, less than halfway up in the west, is over 30 degrees to Mercury's upper left. Look for Hamel, 12.3 degrees to the lower right of the Jovian giant. The crescent moon, 33% illuminated, is nearly another 30 degrees to the upper left of Jupiter. As the sky darkens further, more stars are visible. The moon is bright enough to light up the ground and cast shadows. The lunar orb is nearly 10 degrees to the upper right of Topaz Aldebaran. Together, Aldebaran and the Hyades star cluster make a letter V, outlining Taurus head. Explore the shape with a binocular along with the Pleiades star cluster. Bright Jupiter and Uranus appear in the same binocular field of view. Place Jupiter toward the lower right portion of the field. Dimmer aquamarine Uranus is to the upper left. It is near the star 53 Arietes. Notice the star row that appears inside a triangle made by 3 dimmer stars. As Jupiter ambles eastward, it passes stars in the field of view. It passed Omicron a few nights ago. Each clear night, use the binocular to watch it move towards Sigma and pass it in several nights. This evening a few of Jupiter's 4 largest moons are visible in the binocular. They appear as stars near the planet and shine with about the same brightness as Omicron and Sigma in Aries. Jupiter sets in the west over 4 hours after sunset and before midnight. The moon sets nearly 3 hours later. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.